Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the layout of product page in Dawn Shopify theme. So, if your product page layout looks broken, misaligned or not displaying properly in Shopify's Dawn theme, follow these steps to fix it. Step 1 is checking the theme editor settings. So, first of all, navigate to your store admin, then navigate to online store, then under themes, click customization here. After you click customization on Dawn theme, select the product page from this menu. So we'll navigate to desktop view and we'll choose the product page. Now after selecting your product page from the drop down menu, just adjust the layout settings such as image position, left, right or stacked, text alignment or button size and position through this tab that you'll see on left. So just click on any section, then you can do the padding, theme CSS and custom CSS setting for that. You can also choose to edit all the sections on your product page. Now, click save and preview your changes, and if those fits, then that's good. Now, you can also adjust section and width spacing. If elements are too wide or misaligned, go to the customization tab, navigate to theme settings, now navigate to layout, and here you can adjust the padding, margins and the section width. Now, you can also use Shopify's 2.0 section for more control. In customization theme, add new sections like product information, image gallery or custom HTML or description boxes, then drag and drop sections to rearrange the layout. Now, fifth step will be to check for app or custom code conflicts. If the page layout broke after installing an app, disable it and check again. In order to do that, simply navigate on this page, click on three-dotted icon, click on edit code. Here, navigate to sections. Under sections, go to main-product.liquid. So you'll have to just search for main-product.liquid. Click here. Now, you'll have to basically look for unnecessary custom edits that may be causing this issue. So if you have custom edited any code in this section, just remove that and that will solve your problem. So these were the ways through which you can fix the layout of the product page in Dawn Shopify theme. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.